Alright, what's up YouTube? MotoHobo here. How y'all doing today? Gotta run a few errands, so I figured I might as well record, do a small moto vlog. Now, I wanted to know what other people's reactions were to the helmet video, the video of the guy getting hit in the face with the helmet. And my reaction is that if somebody did it to me, I'd probably do the same thing. It'd probably actually be worse because I would have almost died in that situation instead of the buddy doing it. But I definitely would have hit the guy in the face, either with my fist or with the helmet, either way. And I want to know what other people's were worst cases that sense of road rage or near injury or death situations you were put in on a motorcycle just from other drivers being stupid. Because the bad thing is I've rode a bike a motorcycle since I was old enough to, but I've been riding dirt bikes and stuff like four-wheelers and stuff since I got my first dirt bike when I was 3. So I've had a lot of dumb situations from not only me being dumb, but that's just track racing and stuff like that, but since I rode a motorcycle, I've had multiple times that because of other driver error that I've almost have gotten hit or ran over or just different things. Yeah, I'm going to Wally World. I'm at Walmart. You got a brake light out. What bugs the hell out of me is when you go to Walmart and half the damn cash registers. They have like 100 cash registers, but they only have 4 people working the cash registers on the busiest hours. I don't think even on a really busy day, like what am I trying to say? Black Friday. I don't even think on Black Friday they have all the cash registers, like people working on the cash registers. Cop. I think Snowcat would have a heyday down here in St. Charles because every 100 yards there's a little bitty tunnel. Watch, this person will cut over 3 lanes. Maybe put the cell phone down. Put the cell phone down. Fucking stupid. Oh yeah, wave. Wave will make it better. Fucking hey, man. Pisses me the fuck off. What's that? My first video I uploaded a week ago. Look, it almost happened again. See that? That's almost 2 times in less than a week that I almost got ran over at that same intersection because people do not follow the road laws. This is the intersection right here. And the reason why I didn't stop, like, slow down and give her leeway is because what she was doing was illegal. In the span of where she was driving or getting off the highway, she couldn't make, you can't possibly make that turn or get over 3 lanes legally in that span of time.
Come here.
He was drinking it like a big gulp drink. Alright, is it just me? I get like, okay, you get your phone up here, you get the phone, you have the GoPro, you can mount up front. But when people have like the phone, the GoPro, the drink holder, the GPS holder, like it looks like Batman's fucking belt strapped onto somebody's handlebars. It's quite funny. I'm sorry, that dog does not look like it wants to walk. Next thing you know, they got a little pouch for like throwing little spiky balls out for people chasing them and shit. Smoke screen. Alright, I'm gonna call it this. You guys have a good day. MotoHobo out.